Have you ever stayed glued to your system all day trying to find that perfect deal? How to know avail? You are not alone. And I believe it is even getting harder as the day goes by to find that perfect deal. I am not standing here claiming that I have one trick up my sleeves which is guaranteed to produce a perfect deal. However, I believe if I talk about some of the things I do, it should at least help one person out there get a step closer to nailing that perfect deal. If you notice, I've been using the word perfect, but the truth is, what is perfect for me or makes a great deal for me might not necessarily be perfect for you. Before we go further, I think we need to address what exactly is a deal and even more, what makes a great deal. I would also love to get to know your thoughts on this. So feel free, jump into the comment section. Let me know what you consider to be a great deal. And remember, we are talking specifically in the context of a property deal. A deal is anything I can obtain for significantly less its real value or its worth. So case in point, let's say I have a friend that is leaving the country for some reason and is interested in selling off his fully paid car. Now, the car's true value is worth £10,000. However, because my friend wants to sell urgently, he is willing to sell the car off at £8,000. That right there is what I call a deal. However, is it a great deal or not? The truth is, you are the only one that can answer that question. If I've been wanting to buy a similar car, I had budgeted about £15,000 for it, and out of the blues, I have someone wanting to sell that car to me for £8,000. Then that will probably be a great deal for me. On the flip side, if what I had budgeted for a car was about £5,000, even though I have a friend that wants to sell his car at a discounted rate, I won't still be able to afford it. So it wouldn't be a great deal for me. This is the way I see it, and same applies in property. As an investor, you know exactly what you want from a deal, and that is what makes a deal great or not. You might be after cash flow and only interested in netting in excess of £4,000 per month. It means if any deal is brought to you, even if it's a good one, as long as it doesn't meet your cash flow expectation, you are not interested. Another example, your preference might be money left in the deal, e.g., you are using a BRRR strategy. And by the way, if you want to have a better understanding of BRRR strategy, just click my video here. So for instance, that's your criteria. You want to have minimum of 10k or less left in the deal. It means any deal that leaves more would be enough for you. Now, the big question: where are all the deals? And most importantly, where are the great ones? Like I said earlier, it is becoming harder and harder to find those juicy deals that meet the criteria of a lot of investors. But that doesn't mean they are still not out there. My first tip is to use a property sourcer or a deal packager. Now, please and please, you have to do your research and confirm the property sourcer you want to use is good. It needs to have great review and great testimonies. You want to ensure your sourcer is also compliant. Let me use this analogy. If you are sick or ill, you want to be treated by a doctor, right? Not a quack doctor, but a real doctor. A doctor who is certified and has the needed experience. My point here is you seek the services of a professional in matters such as health and every other important things in life. Why should property be an exception? Seek the services of an expert, get a professional, discuss with him or her what makes a great deal for you, your timeline and your budget. Then let the sourcer go do what they do best. Second tip is to buy from auction. If you want to have a better understanding of auction, you can watch my video here. Auctions are known to be filled with great deals, but you definitely don't want to go into an auction as a simple thing. Educate yourself regarding the process and their ways of working. And the last tip is to go direct to vendor. Sometimes you just have to take the bull by the horn. Talk to people, your friends, your neighbor, people in your network. Do they have a property to sell? Or do they know anyone that has a property to sell? If you spot a property that has been abandoned for a while, you can go drop a letter there saying you are interested in the property and you're looking at buying if they are considering to sell. The advantage of direct to vendor is it kills off other competition compared to a property that has been listed online where you have thousands of people with access. In this case of direct to vendor, it is only you or maybe another person that has also followed the approach of contacting the vendor directly. If you play your cards right, you can definitely negotiate a great deal off the vendors directly. So those are some tips I believe will definitely help you if you are struggling to find a deal or a great deal for the matter. Again, in all you do, ensure you always do your own due diligence. If there's something you are not sure of, reach out to people that can help you to verify and confirm the necessary information. That's it for today, guys, and I do hope you have been enjoying my videos. And let me be honest, it is not easy shooting content, not at all. So if you know you have gotten value from this video or you have been getting values from the videos I've been posting, the least you can do is to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and please do share the video with any person you think needs to see this. Till next time, see ya.